about what is meant by pollination and the types of pollination which are occurring. Okay, so let's get started, and first of all we will know that what is meant by pollination. So let's see. So pollination is the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of a flower. This is the definition of pollination. Pollination are of two types. First one is self-pollination and the second one is cross-pollination. Self-pollination occurs in the single flower or between the flowers of the same plant. Cross-pollination occurs in flowers of the different plant of the same kind. Now we know that there are two types of pollination which are occurring. The first one is self-pollination and the second one is cross-pollination. But for cross-pollination to occur, an agent is required for the transfer of pollen grains. So mainly there are four common agents. So let's study each one. Now the first agent is insect. Transfer of pollen grains by insect is known as insect pollination. When an insect comes to suck the nectar from a flower, the pollen grains get stick to it. And when that insect visits another flower, the pollen grains fall on that flower, and there the cross-pollination occurs. And now the second agent is wind. Some plants like maize, palm and pine produce in large amount dry pollen grains. And when these flowers become mature, the pollen grains are blown away by the help of wind. And if it happened to fall on the feathery stigma of a flower of the same type, there the pollination occurs. And such a type of pollination is known as wind pollination. Now we will learn about the third agent, which is water. Here the water acts as an agent to transfer the pollen grains. For example, we will take a water pollinated flower which is Melisneria. This is an aquatic plant whose male flowers are submerged in water, and upon maturation they get detached from the plant and they float on the surface of the water. And these floating male flowers happen to come in contact with the female flowers. The pollen grains are transferred to the stigma of the female flowers, and there the pollination occurs. And such a type of pollination is known as water pollination. Now the fourth type of agent is animals. Some birds like hummingbirds and animals like bats also act as an pollinating agents. When they visit various flowers, they carry the pollen grains with them. And this is known as animal pollination. So friends, this was the part 3rd video. I hope you like this part 3rd video, and again I will make the part 4th video in which I will tell you about the fertilization. So be ready to watch that part 4th video, and thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give like to my channel. Do not forget to share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Meet you in part 4th video. Till that, bye.